What's up everybody? Welcome to the Germanly Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad, and in this video we're going to do some burnouts and some donuts. It's pretty interesting in this S4 being rear wheel drive because, I mean, the back end just comes out so fast. A lot of the weight in this car is up front just because the engine hangs over the front axle, and the back end just comes right out. So it's taken me a little bit of time to get used to how the back end does swing out. When it was all-wheel drive, you could hit a corner and it would try to break the back end loose, but the front end would just pull you right through. So if it was wet, obviously you could definitely get sideways, and if you come into the corner hot enough and have enough power to the ground, yeah, it's gonna break it loose sideways. But with this being rear wheel drive now, it's just instantly loose. So it's cool. I'm excited to see how this thing does today, and hopefully we get some good footage for you guys. Enjoy.